Hello, welcome to WR Guitar. I'm Will Russell, and in this video today I'm going to be teaching you a complete beginner's version of Radioactive by Imagine Dragons. So without further ado, let's get playing. Okay, we're going to start with the A minor chord today, but before we do anything we need to whack our capo down on the 2nd fret of the neck. That means that everything to the left of it is now redundant, we don't use it, and the capo starts from 0. So we're going to use 2 fingers for our first chord, the A minor chord. We're going to use our first finger. We're going to count down from the top string, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like climbing down a ladder. And we're going to land our first finger in the 1st fret of that string. We're then going to get our 2nd finger and we're going to count down from the top string, 1, 2, 3, 4, landing it in the 2nd fret of the 4th string down. When we strum these chords, we need to make sure that we keep our fingers nice and arched like bunny rabbits, like you're doing a bunny shadow, so that we don't mute any of the strings below them. And we can either use a plectrum or our thumb using the thumbs up technique. We're not going to strum the top 3 strings on the guitar. We're only using the last 3 strings for all of the chords in this song, okay? So the A minor should sound something like this. The next chord we're going to use is the C chord, which is a nice easy transition. We're going to put our first finger down, back on the 5th string down on the 1st fret like we did with the A minor, and we're not using any other fingers. So that's the 1st finger, 5th string down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in the 1st fret. Not strumming the top 3 strings, and it should sound something like this. The 3rd chord then is the G chord. We're going to be using our 3rd finger for this, our ring finger, and we're going to be counting all the way down to the 6th string, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which is our nice high E string, and we're going to be counting along to the 3rd fret. So from the capo, 0, 1, 2, 3. Missing out the top 3 strings. And our final chord then is the D chord. So we're going to be using our 3rd finger again. We're going to be grabbing the 5th string now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we're going to be in the 3rd fret. Here it goes, missing out the top 3 strings. Ta-da! Alright, so the strumming pattern for this song is very straightforward. Each chord, most of the time, is going to be strummed twice per bar. So that means we're going to be holding each strum for the length of 2 beats, which is what we call a minim in music. So I'm just going to give you a demonstration with the A minor chord. So we're strumming once and we're counting 2 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're letting each strum ring out for 2 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. So when you put that into the sequence of chords, it sounds something like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. When you've got that at a nice steady tempo, you can speed it up to the speed that we need for the song. And then you can use this play along video here that I've created to start jamming along to the song with me and have some fun with it. I'm going to play it at the full speed before we finish. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now you've learned all the chords and you've learned the strumming pattern. If you head over to this play along video, you can start jamming the song with me, and make sure you subscribe to WR Guitar so you get all the updates on the videos that I'm going to be posting. And finally, check out the rest of my total beginner guitar playlist, where you can explore lots of other songs using the same chords and a few different chords to get yourself started on the road to guitar. I hope you've enjoyed this. I've been Will Russell and this is WR Guitar.